Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at this mobile device here and see how we can actually delete a photo from this mobile device. So what we want to focus on is this itself is the gallery, right? So for instance, here a photo you want to get rid of it, you don't know exactly going to come right here. So gallery. Some of your phone you might see photo, but here you go, gallery. So you're going to click on that. So when you click on the gallery, this is what come up, right? So these are the different photo and all that. So this for instance, this is the photo you want to get rid of. Right, what you can do, you can actually click on the photo. When you click on the photo, if you notice right up here, you see look at that, you can click on it, look at that, and notice it says select item. You can find large file and all of that. If I click on select, you notice there's a circle over here, and if I click right here, notice show this blue, so right here just show me that I can show it right here. Right here show that I can actually delete it right here. So if I come right here and I click, notice right here, move the item to trash. This item will be sent to the trash, right? So right here, so move and all of that. So that is one way, right? You can actually do it. I'm going to show you the other way in which you can actually do that. The other way you can actually do, definitely, if you notice right here, you can just press on it like that. And when you press on it, you notice it take the same place back. Here, you can press on it again. And when you press on it, you notice it take you directly right here. Again, and you can actually click. You notice it tells you move. So you click. If you notice right down here, very important. So show that actually gone. This is where you can actually delete a file definitely from the gallery. So hope you have learned something from this video here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.